Hey gems, today I'm doing one blouse, 3 different looks. The blouse was thrifted at Sunshine Thrift Store for $4, and there's going to be some other pieces that I add to it to find the 3 looks. Hey everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. And the first look is the business casual with loose black pants and a beautiful blouse. What do you guys think of this first business casual? Of course, I will put some pumps on or some sneakers. Let me know what you think. And the bougainvilleas are in full bloom. Yes, I love it so much. Do you guys love springtime like I do? With the blouse, put on my paparazzi necklace. Got these earrings on now. And here is the final look. These golf shorts. I thrifted these golf shorts for $4. Let's be classy as we get older, all right? See, this is the part people don't talk about in content creation, that you don't get the look that you want the first take. It took me 4 takes to get the look that I want first. I was on the stairs, then I walked away, then I had to go put on some earrings, then I said, you didn't even put any lotion on your face. I was like, girl, we are not giving crusty on Life with Marlene. So I fixed it up, and this is the look. I decided to go with a natural look, no makeup, just a little lip gloss. For me, that doesn't count, but yeah, the final look, the earrings. So I'm gonna try one more look outside, and then I'll choose the one that I think looks the best. Stay tuned. Take 2. All right, so I like this bag. You have no idea. I love it so much. See you on the next one. So let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite? Do you like the business, casual? Do you like the everyday casual? Or do you like the fun and flirty spring? So I put AI with my pictures, and this is the first one. Then here is the second one. And here is the third one. And here is the fourth one. Which one do you think looks the most similar to me? Let me know in the comment section. A little progress each day can add up to big results. So it's not about doing big things. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start small and make sure you complete it. Completing the task. Don't procrastinate it. Put it on your list and get it done. And then you will see how far that you will reach. Channel member shout out. Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Day's Adventures, Boss Life Online, Sirius as a Virgo from Georgia, Miss Maxie, Lara Yellow Sword, Tracy Positive Corner, Tasha T, Nate the Great Podcast 2.0, Always That Girl, Love Baby, Oliver's Vlog TV Mix, Kicking It with the Rooks, Angela Sanchez, Lovey Star Beating, Global Empire ENT Media, and Z Unpacking Life. If you would like to be featured, join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents.
Here's another thing I want to say. Check out my outfit of the day. Let me show you fun. Let me show you how to have fun in the sun.